Kabajamtoota daawwattoota Viijin Tiyuubii baga nagaan gara Viijin Tiyuubiitti nagaadhaan dhuftanii akkuma beekamu tuutoriyaalii gaaffiiwwan egzit egzaamiidhaaf nama qopheessan baay'ee isaa qabannee gara yuutuubii kanatti dhufeera. Ammaa fi koorsii weetar tiriitiment and west weetar tiriitiment kan jedhu irratti gaaffii hojjechaa jira. Kanaaf barattoonni keessumaa barattoonni ani isin barsiisu waan kanatti illee fayyadamuu dandeessu akkasumas namoonni waan kana ilaaltan fayyadamuu dandeessu jechuudha. Welcome back. Today we'll see multiple choice questions and answers based on weather and wastewater treatment courses. Let's see. Let's start from number one. Which process is primarily used to remove suspended solid waste, suspended solids from wastewater? A. Filtration. B. Oxidation. C. Sedimentation. D. Disinfection. Primarily used to remove suspended solid from wastewater. Yes, this is physical method of treatment. So the answer must be sedimentation. Answer is C. Answer is C. As we have seen, primarily treatment method is a physical method, which is when we use screening and sedimentation. So if screening is included in this question, it must be both screening and sedimentation. So for now, only sedimentation is there. So the answer is sedimentation. The second question is, what is the main purpose of disinfection and water treatment? What is the main purpose of disinfection and water treatment? In water treatment, bear in your mind, it may be a different purpose for wastewater treatment in adding disinfection. So in water treatment, A. To remove heavy metals, right? B. To kill pathogenic microorganisms. To reduce turbidity. D. To stabilize pH level. Which one is right? Yes, as it is known, usually to kill pathogenic microorganisms. So the answer is B. The third question, which of the following is a common method of secondary treatment for wastewater? A. Chlorination. B. Activated shellac process. C. Coagulation. D. Reverse osmosis. The following is a common method of secondary treatment for wastewater. The answer is activated shellac process. Chlorination is the third or the tertiary. Reverse tertiary. So activated shellac process is the secondary one. Fourth, what is the role of a clarifier in a wastewater treatment? The role of clarifier in wastewater treatment. A. To add chemical for disinfection. B. To promote biological treatment. C. To separate solids from liquid. The answer is to separate solids from liquid. So the answer is C. The fifth question says, which type of filtration system uses pressure to force water through a semi-permeable membrane? A. Sand filter. B. Microfiltration. C. Reverse osmosis. D. Activated carbon filter. The answer is C. Reverse osmosis. The seeds. What substance is typically added during the coagulation process to aid in the removal of what? Suspended particles. A. Lime. B. Aluminum sulfate or alum. C. Chlorine. D. Sodium bicarbonate. The answer is the most common coagulant, alum or aluminum sulfate. 7. Which of the following indicates the presence of fecal contamination in water? A. High turbidity. B. E. coli. C. Iodinous. D. High pH. The answer, E. coli. E. coli is a type of bacteria found in water or sweater. Okay, Tarlafa, Saditafan. In a wastewater treatment plant, what does BOD stand for? A. Biological oxidation demand. B. Biochemical oxidation demand. C. Biological organic demand. D. Biochemical output demand. The answer is biochemical oxygen demand. B is correct answer. Number 9. What type of wastewater treatment utilizes naturally occurring process to break down what? Organic matter. Physical treatment, chemical treatment, biological treatment, electromechanical treatment. Yes, the answer is biological treatment. Number 10. What is one of the main advantages of using constructed wetland for wastewater treatment? A. High energy consumption. B. Lower cost and environmental benefit. C. Requires complex machinery. D. Inefficient at removing nutrients. The answer is just B. Lower cost and environmental benefits. Student, let's come back for the next, starting from 11 to 40 in the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, share VisionTube, and support me in order to develop my YouTube. So I'll come back with another multiple choice question. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.